Hello financial fans, today is June 5th of 2022. I guess tomorrow is D-Day, and there are some bargains on Wall Street, at least apparent bargains if a person is patient and waits for a long period of time of holding onto a stock, perhaps getting a little bit of dividends here and there, and waiting for value to build up in the stock that you buy, and you buy companies that you believe in, that you think have a future. And with that in mind, we'll take a look at some bargains apparently that are on Wall Street's available list today. These are low priced, low PE stocks, and they look inviting. So let's examine the numbers here. General Motors will be the first stock we look at. GM is the symbol, and the after hours price $37.60 per share seems quite reasonable. We look at the column on the left, 2/3 of the way down, 52-week range. $34.31 was the low, $67.21 was the high. So a lot of people possibly hoping for that stock to go back up to where it was. If it goes back to where it was, wow, we're in good shape if we buy at today's price. The average volume, 17 million shares, almost 18 million shares trade on an average day, and the stock is considered to be undervalued. Third item down the middle column, PE ratio, 6.25. That is low, and this is General Motors, folks. 1-year target, $61.17, so that would be quite a move upward if that were to happen. And we move on to another stock that starts with the letter G. The symbol starts with G, GSK, GlaxoSmithKline. I guess it's now just called the GSK company, and it's after hours price $42.78 per share. The 52-week range, $37.80 to $46.97. That was the high during the past 52 weeks. So again, there's plenty of headroom for this stock to be moving up. Average volume, a little over 5 million shares trade every day. And this stock is considered to be near fair value. The third item down in the middle column, PE ratio, 16.8. So that is higher than I usually like, but this is a pharmaceutical company, and those types of companies have been having a good couple of years now with the pandemic. The forward dividend and yield, 4.65% dividend. That's a nice dividend to be receiving while you're holding on to the stock. The 1-year target, $49.81. Again, that would be a very nice move upwards if that should happen. Next we look at Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company. I've owned Goodyear Tire off and on 4 or 5 times, and it always goes back up. The thing to remember about Goodyear is they make tires. If the economy is bad, people buy older used cars. If the economy is good, they buy new cars. And both of those examples would require tires. And you buy tires new. And Goodyear Tire, GT is the symbol. The after hours price, $13.18 per share. When we look at the 52-week range, $10.89 to $24.89. So that's quite a spread and a lot of headroom there for this stock to move back up to where it was. The average volume, about 6 million shares trade every day. It's considered to be undervalued. The PE ratio, look at that, 4.32. No forward dividend and yield, and the 1-year target, $18.04. Again, that would be a nice move upward if that were to happen. Now we look at our last stock to consider today. Wells Fargo and Company, WFC. Banking is the business. The price per share after hours, $44.82, which was also the closing price on Friday. The 52-week range, $40.74 to $60.30, so a lot of headroom, a lot of room to move upwards to where it was. Average volume, 27,356,000 shares trade every day. It's considered to be near fair value. The PE ratio, third item down, middle column, PE ratio 9.28, so it is under 10. Forward dividend and yield a little over 2%, not a whole lot, but it is a dividend. And the 1-year target, $59.75, which would be a tremendous move upward. And I thank you very much for watching.